Struggling with vaccine distribution in remote areas, a scientist faced a daunting challenge: refrigeration. Inspired by nature, she developed a system mimicking camel humps, storing vaccines in heat-resistant capsules. This innovation eliminated the need for cold storage, revolutionizing global health. Her technique: observing and learning from nature's resilience. The outcome? Vaccines reached isolated communities, saving countless lives. Her story teaches us to look to nature for solutions, embracing its wisdom. Try observing the world around you. It might just hold the key to your next breakthrough.